Hello fam, welcome to Diesma Bloom. This is a continuation of my previous video, how to make a bead mat. In any case you haven't watched it, please do, for you to understand. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for always keeping it here. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's get straight into the video. You will need a beading needle and thin thread, just like I did on my previous video more thread beadwork part 2. You will pass the needle between the beads on the mat.